Alright, we're going to try our SnowSnubs out here. Turn this guy on. Alright, given our new 3D printed SnowSnubs. I call them SnowSnubs. I don't know what the hell to call them. Snow paddles. Anyway, some 3D printed wheels. You'll find these on my Maker World account. Right now, at least they're free to download and print. So I'm gonna give them a test now on top of my smaller than massive snow mountain at the end of our street. And also sporting a new, I just modeled this little tiny GoPro mount for my GoPro here. So just testing that out. I'm not entirely 100%. I've got it taped on with some 3M tape there right now, but the intention is to model it such that the curve is right and glue it. So I'll get the right one on Maker World. And this one, I've got one for my G7P, but this is my Red Cat remote that I'm actually using for my camera right now, the RTX 4C. Anyway, I'm going to flip back here to the GoPro, and we're going to try to see how well these paddles do. Let's do this. Alright. Just doing the check on the... Not bad. I think I can do it. A bit of a slow crawl here. Try to let the rep get us. Can we do it? Come on. Oh, we're just burying ourselves like we are on the beach. Adjust my camera here a little bit. Alright, let's try another one. That works too. What are the chances? Works good on this stuff. At least they haven't blown up. Well, that was fun.